How to disable Google AI Gemini in Gmail and Google Apps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the Gmail application on a device. Now for that, you'll have to directly go onto your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser for that matter. Then simply tap on it and search for gmail.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account on the browser as well. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So let the Google account or Gmail application just open up, and here you can see the settings. So let's tap on the settings icon, and as we tap on the gear icon, we get to see the option of see all settings. Tap on see all settings, and as we do that, it will lead us to a new page where you can see under general you have different options. So let's scroll down and tap on the option of Google Workspace Smart Features. Tap on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings, and here you can simply toggle off the option over here and then tap on See. As you do that, you'll be able to disable Google AI Gemini in Gmail and Google Apps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.